Anna and Jake are in a tricky situation today. Let's see if they handle it. This happens to all of us, and knowing these 5 phrasal verbs will help you speak English like a native when things don't go according to plan. Oh my gosh, Jake, I'm so excited. Our friends will be here in like 20 minutes. The house looks great, the snacks are ready, and look at our brand new espresso machine. Our guests are going to love the lattes.
Yeah, it really ties the kitchen together, doesn't it? Fancy. I'll get the first round started. Want a double shot, boss?
You know it. Oh, actually, Jake, make sure you use the good beans. The dark roast, please. I want everything to be perfect tonight.
Dark roast. Check. Okay, let's fire this baby up. That's weird. It's making a strange noise.
What noise? It's brand new. Don't tell me it's already acting up. I literally just bought it last week.
I don't know. It's like a gurgling sound, and no coffee's coming out. Just steam. A lot of steam. Uh-oh. It just totally stopped.
No, it can't have. This is impossible. Is it broken down? Seriously? The machine is completely dead?
Looks like it, Anna. It's not turning on at all now. Just a sad little blinking light.
Oh, wow. Okay. Deep breaths. Our friends will be here any minute. We need to figure out what to do. Fast. Do we have any instant coffee or tea?
Yeah, we have some instant. And I think there's some herbal tea in the cupboard. Not quite the fancy lattes you promised, but, it's hot liquid.
This is just so frustrating. I wanted tonight to be special. We need to sort out a plan for getting this fixed tomorrow. But for now, how do we handle the coffee situation with guests arriving?
Okay, calm down. Let's just deal with the guests first. We can make the instant coffee or offer tea and just laugh about it. It's not the end of the world, right? We can get coffee from the cafe down the street if anyone's really desperate.
I guess. It's just I put so much effort into planning everything. And now this. It's really starting to get me down.
Hey, don't let it get you down, Anna. It's just a machine. Our friends are coming to see us, not our perfect coffee setup. We'll make it work. How about you put on some music and I'll start boiling water for the instant stuff. We've got this.
You're right. Thanks, Jake. Okay, music it is, and maybe a quick text to tell everyone the fancy coffee is experiencing technical difficulties.
Wow, what a situation. Things don't always go as planned, do they? But Anna and Jake showed us how to talk about these everyday problems using some super useful phrasal verbs. If you want to sound natural and confident when discussing mishaps, these are essential. Let's dive into the phrasal verbs Anna and Jake used. First up, Anna said, "Don't tell me it's already acting up." Acting up. This means a machine or device is not working correctly, or a person or animal is behaving badly. Like a child might act up in a store, or just like the coffee machine, your phone might start acting up when it's old. It's acting up. Try saying that. Next, the machine fully stopped working. Anna asked, "Is it broken down?" Broken down. This is what you say when a machine or vehicle stops operating completely. A car breaks down on the highway. Your washing machine might break down right before a big laundry day. It's broken down. It's a common and very descriptive phrase. When the coffee machine broke, Anna immediately said, "We need to figure out what to do." Figure out. This means to understand or solve a problem. You might need to figure out a difficult math problem, or figure out how to use a new software. Figure it out. It's all about finding a solution. Then Anna said, "We need to sort out a plan for getting this fixed tomorrow." Sort out. This phrasal verb means to successfully deal with a problem or organize something. You might sort out your messy documents or sort out a disagreement with a friend. Sort it out. It implies putting things in order or resolving an issue. Jake calmly advised, "Let's just deal with the guests first." Deal with. This means to take action to solve a problem or to handle a situation. You have to deal with a difficult customer at work or deal with unexpected expenses. Deal with it. It's about facing the problem directly. Finally, when Anna was feeling low, Jake told her, "Don't let it get you down." Get you down. This phrasal verb means to make someone feel sad or depressed. Bad news can get you down, or a string of bad luck might get you down. Don't let it get you down. It's a wonderful phrase for encouragement. Remember, English isn't just about grammar. It's about real communication. Phrasal verbs like these add so much color and naturalness to your speech. The best way to learn them is to hear them in context, just like you did with Anna and Jake. Try to use one new phrasal verb every day. So the next time something goes wrong, you'll know exactly what to say. Practice these phrases, listen for them in movies or podcasts, and you'll be sounding more native in no time. Thanks for learning with Everyday English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real English lessons. See you next time.